the Boogie Board Sync. This is a boogie board that allows you to transmit your doodles to your phone in real time wirelessly using Bluetooth. And we're gonna attach this to the TV, show the doodles on the TV through this default phone's television transmission technology. And we're going to treat it like a whiteboard. So we're going to draw on the boogie board, and it's gonna show on the television. First, let's get the app, sync app, Boogie Board Sync app, and to connect it, you go to settings and then connect Boogie Board Sync, and over here it gives you the instructions for connecting it. It says your Boogie Board Sync must be put into pairing mode. While your sync is turned off, press and hold the save button and then simultaneously press the power button. Okay, understood. So the save button is here in the bottom corner, and the power button is on the edge at the bottom over there. And hopefully, first of course you have to press next on the app, so it will start get the search for the boogie board. So we'll do that. Okay, so get a grip. Difficult to get a grip. Okay, I'll lean it on the table. Okay, use your fingernails. Something happened. Let's see. Failed to find my boogie board. Let's try again. Okay. So when it's in the off position, press the save, then the on. Pairing with Boogie Board Sync. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so that's done. Let's test it out. Let's see if it's gonna show in real time. A drawing on the boogie board, some line, put in line. It's well, here's an essential thing to know. The line will only transmit if you're using the stylus. So you're using your hand, it won't register on the screen, it won't show in real time. But if you're using the stylus, it will appear. And yeah, it's hard to get a screenshot of this. The lines are so small. But anyways, let's connect this to the TV and begin. Can I make a new term? Whiteboarding. So I'm gonna put it in screen share mode, the television. Press OK. And then the phone, go to screen sharing, the network, select the TV you're gonna connect to from your settings. Varies with different telephone types. The particular setting that is. Okay, connected. Now if you turn it like this, first you got to have called sideways mode. Okay, not portrait. You got to be able to swivel it. You get the full screen if you turn horizontally. Okay, and you're ready to go. First, of course, put it on the Boogie Board Sync app. Yeah, that's the drawing I did with the boogie board there, over there. And well, then why isn't it in a landscape mode? We'll keep it there. Let's see if there's a setting for making it landscape. No. Well, anyway, let's Anna investigate this a bit more. I took a time out and investigated it, and I discovered there is no landscape mode. Unfortunately, that's something I will have to address the company about. I'll definitely send them a message about this careless oversight. But you can see it's writing hello, and it's just like a telephone screen, but much bigger, much more comfortable to use than a very small screen. It's an 8-inch size, or is it 10? Timed out and looked it up. It's 9.7 to be exact. And you can see here, you can do whatever, make mathematical problems. Let's see the erase button. There's an erase function. There's a save. There's an undo. You can undo. Press the undo. Of course, it's not gonna appear on the boogie board itself, but it's will appear on the screen. It's only one-way communication. It's from the boogie board to the phone, and so let's try the undo. That's one undo, two undo. Let's go on line by line, bit by bit for some reason. What done? So make a line. Let's not be silly. Okay, and then we press the undo. 1, 2. It's a bit small, tiny bit by bit for some reason. Okay, this app can use a bit of work for sure. Just little micro, a dot at a time. It's undoing. I don't know why. It's but if you continue pressing it continuously, quickly, it erases completely for some reason. Or maybe I'm pressing the garbage can, so that's disappointing. Let's try pressing the garbage can to begin with. that. Okay. Yeah, so that erases it completely. So I must be mistakenly pressing the garbage can when I'm trying to press the undo button, and it's erasing completely. So the undo function is practically useless. Just very tiny bit, and then I don't know if it's my finger going off spot or it's the way it's working. It's a glitch. I'm gonna check on a carefully observe this time what's happening. Yeah, so it's me varying my finger a bit and touching the garbage can button. That's causing it to erase all. Let's see if I keep my finger on the undo button, what will happen. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. So this app can use a lot more work. It's sad they have such a good product and they fail in this respect with the app. They don't go to the end making it excellent. It's the whole point of this advanced boogie board is really the phone app, and they kind of went the third grade rate in the phone, developing the phone app, unfortunately. But like I said, you can do mathematical formulas for a group of students, or if you're workers, you're at a meeting, make business diagrams and such. Okay. And this it says in the manual this can be used as a mouse as well, sort of a touchpad. So let's go. First you have to download the app and run the app. We'll go to the Play Store and see if it's there. It's called Sync. Let's see what it's called again. Okay, it's called Sync Desktop Companion, or Sync Virtual Desktop Companion, and it says it's a digitizer, so you can use it to draw and things like that. And the mouse, oops, wrong app. Okay, Play Store, Sync Desktop. That should be enough. We'll see. Sync. Okay, it doesn't seem to be available for smartphones, this app for using the Boogie Board as a digitizer, but at least not for Android devices. But let's check the website, maybe they got it there. Okay, so it's not available for Android or yeah, and it's kind of a downer. The Boogie Board Sync isn't a complete product. Its app leaves much to be desired, and yeah, it's limited. It's they didn't open it up for its full potential, and yeah, it's kind of a downer. That's it, and yeah, at least we learned the downfalls of this product, but maybe we can encourage them to work a little harder and provide more for the consumer. All right, thanks for watching.